Hi children, good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are good and doing well. So children, let's start our second activity for today, which is related to season. Till now, we have learned about summer season and rainy season. Today we are going to learn about one new season. And which season is this, children? This is winter season. In winter season, we feel very cold. Ooh, we don't want to step out from our house. We want to stay indoors. We want to cover ourselves with blanket. We want to have hot beverages. And there are many more things to learn about this winter season. But before going into all those things, let's see what are the learning objectives for this activity. The first one is introduce winter season and things associated with winter season. The second one is to impart knowledge about season. The third one is to enhance cognitive skills. The resource which is required for this activity is weather wheel. We are going to use the same weather wheel which we have made for our first week. We are going to use the same weather wheel. So children, can you tell me that when we feel cold, when we can see cold weather outside, which type of weather we should mark in weather wheel? Can you tell? What type of weather is found when we feel cold? In winter season, what type of weather is found? Is it sunny, children? Huh? When you can see sun outside, how you feel? You feel warm. You want to have lots of water. You want to drink lots of water. So, do you know which season is this? Yes, correct. This is summer season. The sunny weather is found in summer season. And when it's raining outside, you can't see the sun. The sun is covered by clouds and you can hear thunderstorm and you can see the flashing light. Which season is this, children? Correct. It's rainy season. So can you tell me that which weather we should mark in winter season? Snowy. Because in winter season we can feel cold breeze. We can't see sun. We can feel the cold breeze in this season. So we should mark snowy weather in weather wheel. And all things, children, what all things are there in winter season? Do you know, children, that winter season normally starts with early of October and ends in late February. Winter season comes after rainy season. Winter season comes after rainy season. And winter is the coldest season. The wind in this season is very cold. And how we feel, children? We feel very cold. Our bodies shiver. Ooh. Our bodies shiver because of cold. And what we should do to protect ourselves from this cold? We keep our room warm by keeping the door and windows closed. We wear warm clothes like sweater, jackets, cap, gloves, mufflers, woolen socks to keep ourselves warm. And what type of food we eat, children? We eat hot food like hot beverages like tea, coffee, chocolate milk, and we want to have hot soups, and we can get dish like gajar ka halwa and many more dishes. And you know, children, that what type of fruits and vegetables are found in this season? We can get all the green leafy vegetables. We can get peas, sweet potato, and many more green vegetables in this season. And do you know which fruit we can get in this season? We can get apple, oranges, and grapes. After learning about these things, let's see what are the festivals which are found in this weather. The biggest festivals of India comes under this season only, like Diwali, Deepavali, Makar Sankranti, and Christmas and New Year's Eve also comes under the winter season only. So children, after learning all these things about winter season, let us recite one rhyme about winter season. So are you ready to listen to this rhyme? Let's listen.
Hi children,
Hi children,
let us
let
recite
us recite
winter
winter
song.
song.
Feel the
Feel
chill
the chill
in the
in
air.
the air.
It's getting
It's getting
cold
cold
out there.
out
With
there.
a
With a
windy whoosh
windy
and
bush
leaves
and
are on the
leaves are on
ground.
the ground.
I am
I am
feeling
feeling
very
very
cold.
cold.
Let us recite
Let us recite
one more
one
time.
more time.
Feel the
Feel
chill
the chill
in the
in
air.
the air.
It's getting
It's getting
cold
cold
out there.
out
With a
there. With a
windy whoosh
windy
and leaves
bush
are on the
and leaves are on
ground.
the ground.
I am
I am
feeling
feeling
very cold.
very cold.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So children, did you enjoy this winter rhyme? Did you enjoy learning about winter season? Did you? Let us know. And parent, please share photograph of the child doing these activities with us. Thank you. Thank you so much.